Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a peacock. Trace your left or right hand at the center of the paper. Once done, join the bottom portions to achieve the peacock's body. That's looking good. As our peacock is standing in a side profile, which means it can be seen from one side, make a single eye on the thumb, an oval-shaped eyelid, and just one eyeball as drawn here. Let's now make a pointed triangle-shaped beak and split the mouth with a sleeping line. Well done! Peacocks wear a natural crown called crests. Let's create 5 lollipop-shaped crests on the top of its head. Amazing! Now at the center of its body, make a huge curvy-shaped peacock wing just like this. Draw another curvy wing within. That's good! Now let's bring our attention onto the 4 fingers, which represent the peacock feathers. Make ice cream shaped cones in repeated patterns. You should be able to make 3 to 4 cones on each finger. Join them with straight feathers or lines. Draw waves above each of the fingers. Very neat! Make 2 long legs with 3 toes pointing forward and 1 toe backwards. Color. Use a bright blue across the peacock body, leaving aside its wings. Take a bright green throughout the feathers except for the cones. Choose a contrasting shade of blue and red for the center curved wing. Use yellow on its eyelid. Now take beige, pink and yellow to color its cones. Red over its beak. Now that you are done, share the peacock drawing with your family and friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.